everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Daisy again. It's glad to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the new flip straw 30 ounce and 40 ounce tumbler. They are portable and a lot of uses in our lives, like traveling, doing sport, climbing, etc. You can bring them to everywhere when you hold them like this. Okay, let's go for the design part. You must have a template before you start design. For the templates, you may all know that I usually make it 3mm wider than its actual size for easier printing. Next, based on the template, let's talk about what kind of design will be suitable for it. As you can see, the template is really simple, which means it is suitable for all types of design. Here are some tips I would like to share with you. First, if you want to do a full print design by repeating pattern, we suggest you to delete the incomplete image on the border, especially the overlapping part. Second, we do not suggest you to do a full color-based or images-based design in this template because it will be more difficult for printing. As a result, that might leave some gap between the design and the tumbler and overlap the color part. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Daisy from LOPO and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact ourselves and leave your message at below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us, let's make life memorable!